Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. In this video, we will discuss about the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test NEET 2021. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Starting with the NEET 2021 exam date. This year, NEET exam will be held on 12th September 2021 across India. Mode of the exam. The exam will be pen and paper based. Talking about the NEET 2021 exam pattern. This year, the National Testing Agency (NTA) has released a new pattern. The subjects included in the pattern are zoology and botany, which together consist the biology, physics, and chemistry. All of these subjects have been divided into two sections, Section A and Section B. Section A will contain 35 questions and Section B will contain 15 questions. The total marks for the question in Section A will be 140 and the total marks for questions in Section B will be 40. This same pattern will be followed in rest of the subjects and the total marks for the test will be 720. Subject-wise question distribution. Each subject will have 45 questions and total number of questions in the exam are 200, but the aspirants only have to attempt 180 questions, which means the sections will have a choice. Languages available for NEET 2021. The exam will be available in 13 languages, which will be there in specific cities only. English and Hindi language will be available in all exam cities and centers. English and Urdu language will also be available in all exam cities and centers. Bengali language will be available only in exam centers in West Bengal. Assamese language will be available only in exam centers in Assam. Marathi language will be available only in exam centers in Maharashtra. Gujarati language will be available only in exam centers in Gujarat, Daman, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Tamil language will be available only in exam centers in Tamil Nadu. Telugu language will be available only in exam centers in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Oriya language will be available only in exam centers in Odisha. And Kannada language will be available only in exam centers in Karnataka. Students need to select their preferred language when they will fill the application form. Coming to the marking scheme for NEET 2021. For each correct answer in NEET, 4 marks will be awarded and 1 mark will be deducted for each wrong attempt. If any candidate will leave the question unattempted, there is no negative marking for that as per the NEET exam pattern 2021. Once aspirants mark their answers in NEET 2021 OMR sheet, it is not possible to change it. And candidates are advised not to attempt multiple answers during the NEET exam as it will cause a negative marking. Instructions for filling the OMR sheet. As per the NTA guidelines, all NEET answers have to be marked using a ballpoint pen only. The ballpoint pen will be provided by the authorities inside the exam hall of NEET 2021. You don't need to carry a pen of your own. The candidate has to mark the code test booklet code on the NEET OMR sheet 2021, as failing to this will lead the candidates in problem. All the required rough work should be done in the space provided in the test booklet. And most importantly, as per the NEET 2021 paper pattern, once marked answer in the OMR sheet can't be erased. So you need to mark the answers very carefully. Best of luck guys for NEET 2021. So that is it for today guys. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and follow us on Instagram. Links in the description.